So I took my mom to a senior citizen birthday party, and we had so much fun. Here's the details. Nassau County on Long Island invites seniors every month to their Celebrating Seniors birthday party. And my mom received an invite by letter about a month before her birthday. The event is held at Old Bethpage Village Restoration and is free to attend. And she was able to bring a guest, which was me. You could sit wherever you'd like, and at the tables they had word scrambles and word searches that you could do before lunch. And then they came around with different lunch boxes that you could pick whichever you wanted. This was my mom's first time doing an unboxing video, and I think she did a really cute job with it. This was a tuna salad sandwich that she got, and they also gave a bag of chips, an orange, and some water as well. And they also had a chicken or a veggie option. And then they had a live band performing, and they were singing and dancing. This is my mom singing Sweet Caroline. And then they came around with birthday cake. We really didn't know what to expect, but we actually had so much fun, and I'm excited to make this a regular tradition celebrating her birthday.